Got some pancakes going. What are we doing today? Gonna do some exploring? Waterfall maybe? Waves? Ride the waves to the waterfall? It looks calm. I think we're gonna do some exploring today. But first, pancakes! Nice, we are loaded. Headed to the waterfall. Where is it? Just right over there? Through the woods and then down?
Yeah, it's like a hobby skip to Grandma's house. Through the woods.
Over the hills? Yeah. Dang. And we're fishing along the way, huh, fish? In me.
Fishing on the way back.
Way back. Get there, get the plan done.
Got my life in two pieces. This is my last.
Fuck you.
Sorry. Man, I'm just following you. I feel good though.
Ooh, nice rocks right there.
You know what that means?
Smell mouth.
Well, I do.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and well, I too.
Almost portage number 1 to get to this lovely waterfall that we're gonna try to find.
Try.
Yeah,
Don't know me very well.
that might be it right there, huh?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Definitely is, boy.
That's it.
All right, well, we're gonna move that way.
I wish it was you. I feel like you're
Oh my god, that was my line too. Looks like everything's gonna dry out hopefully a little bit today. Maybe we can find some good wood.
Hopefully.
Oh yeah, the bridge. I forgot about this part.
You pull my pants.
There you go.
Little happy butt.
A little happy boy. She said I don't spend time like. Just like that, we made it down. What did you see?
Hi, dude.
A spider?
No, I just fell.
Oh, there's a fish that just boiled. Cast.
No, it's all falling.
Quick little jaunt right across, right where those guys are coming out of. And we're gonna be back there, I think.
They're gonna be coming this way. Can you get out? Let's get out there, be right.
Let's go.
Cloudy?
Look at all this cottonwood. Just brutal. Portage number 2.
You stick the words right out of my mouth.
Off we go. Testing the abilities here. Is this it?
Yeah, this is it.
Sick, dude.
Let's go home. I'm gonna do that at the waterfall. There's some good shit.
Some good high quality H2.
Good high
All right, follow leader Brandon. He's taking the easy course. I'm gonna go expert. Yeah, dude. And these dudes, they're greasy, and these rocks, they're also greasy.
Yeah, I'm worth an $8 flip flop.
Yeah. Oh, I just clapped the back cheek right in. The right heel of my foot. Just clapped right in that water puddle. Does anyone know how far?
Get the piggies.
Whew. This trail's greasy, boys. Pretty crazy obstacles. Almost have to fill the water bottle up again. Holy cow, these guys are flying. I gotta catch up to them. Whoa. And just like that, we are up. I don't know, 50, 60 feet. Some cool stuff here. Like, look at this. It's a huge boulder wall. Dang, you can hear it now. Woo! We made it, we made it, we made it. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. think we're gonna try to get up there. So let's grab the water bottle, let's go. How is it up there? Just some quick work. We made it up. Just a little climb, nothing too crazy. Look at this though. Shot from the top. Through the woods we go further. We gotta catch up. We're gonna go for a nice light jog. We're gonna take the outside. Looks way faster. Oh baby. We can keep going. Wow. So here's the top of the last one. We're gonna try to get up there. So here's up top. I think they went up there. Not totally sure. Pretty wild. Hello? Is this the very top? Is this the top?
I think so. I think it kind of just goes down again. And as far as I remember, this was the second coolest spot, and that was the coolest spot.
Down there?
Yeah, that little corner.
Yeah. Just leaving Johnson Falls. Look at that one more time. Climbed all the way to the top. This is probably one of the best looking spots. It's like the third or fourth spot that you can see coming up to it. Hiking back. There's some beautiful views. I don't know which way they went, but we'll probably meet up with them somewhere along here, as long as I stay left. Ah! Shortcut, baby! Where were you guys? Is this stuff greasy or? We gotta get down there. The trail has turned pretty much into straight in the woods. You can still hear the river or creek, whatever the hell it is, down there. But pretty much bobbing and weaving trees now. We are headed out of here. We're gonna do a little fishing on the way. Are we going back to the campground or? Johnson Falls, we were just heading out. It is in between, I don't know, it's by Pine Lake and Little Canoe. Little Caribou, it's in that area. Worth a walk. Decent falls, it was pretty lit, yeah. Nice walk. We're empty. Just a quick little. Ooh, that's nice and cold. There it is. Not like this trail. A little sloppy out here. Oh! Watch your ankles. Ooh, man, you guys are good. You guys definitely were in gymnastics or something. You should run track. Go for a little hop there. A little skill. Greased out, but we made her. These things will eat you up. This was probably all flooded. Wouldn't you think?
Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it. I don't see nobody in my lane that's quite go get it like me. Whoa, please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Whoa, yeah, swear to God I'm with it.